Hello techies, I'm Miguelina Betty, aka Catwoman from Tech Valor. If you purchased the Samsung UV Sanitizer, this video will show you if your UVC lamps are broken, if your wireless charging is defective, what to do if it's broken, and some bonus tips. I'll provide timestamps so you can toggle to your main concerns. UVC lamps. As a precaution, the compartment's LED lights do not turn on unless the top cover is closed. Don't be like me and do this with bare hands. It's best to do it with black gloves. Also, keep your eyes a safe distance of at least 12 inches away. Exposing yourself to ultraviolet lights that are in the C spectrum can cause bodily harm. Press down and hold this button and then press the power button. If both of the lights turn on, then you have a good product. If it doesn't turn on, then your power source might not be strong enough to activate the light. Unfortunately, this doesn't come with a charging brick, so make sure you are using one that is rated output of 9 volts over 2 amps or 5 volts over 2.1 amps. If the lights still don't turn on, contact Samsung to exercise your 12 months warranty. Do not attempt to replace the lights yourself. Wireless charging. Your device will start to wirelessly charge as soon as you place it on the sweet spot. You do not need to press the power button on the sanitizer for the wireless charging to work. You do need to make sure that your device is specifically Qi compatible. My Gear S3 is not Qi compatible, so it will not wirelessly charge inside of this sanitizer. If your device is not charging, realign it to the center of the compartment to create contact. If it's still not charging, then look at the power source and make sure it is an output rating of 9 volts over 2 amps or 5 volts over 2.1 amps. If it's still not charging, then you have a defective product. Contact Samsung for a replacement. Bonus tips. You can sanitize anything that fits into the compartment as long as you can close the top cover. It has a clearance of about 7 inches in length, 3.5 inches wide, and a depth of 1 inch. This UV sanitizer is also compatible with portable battery banks for an on-the-go option. Something funny I noticed about the packaging was that they misspelled the word tested to tasted. I got a good chuckle out of that one. How has your experience been with the Samsung UV sanitizer? I really like it so far. I'll see y'all in the next video. Catwoman out.